Hi everyone, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I will show you how to plan your taxi ride with what3words in Cabify. To give you a short intro, it's a ride-hailing app that operates in Latin America, Spain, and Portugal. They offer services for both individuals and businesses. You can access Cabify from your iOS and Android devices, as well as web browser. If you are in one of the largest cities of the mentioned countries, I highly recommend you to download Cabify. To use the app, create an account and add your payment method. To order a ride, set your pickup and drop-off locations. Your starting point can be automatically located via your phone GPS, but you'll need to enter your drop-off point manually. Start entering your 3-word address in the drop-off search bar. And choose your correct 3-word address from the suggestions. Click Order Now, and you are ready to ride Cabify with what3words. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.